Hello everyone, welcome to Roam Tech.
Today we will be discussing how to download and install Forge mods to Minecraft 1.21.4 on your Mac. This guide will work for any version too. Before we get started, it's important to note that you will need to have Java installed on your Mac. If you don't have it already, I will leave that tutorial linked in the description below.
Okay, let's get started.
The first thing we need to do is to download the Minecraft 1.21.4 files so we can install Forge later. To do this, you want to open your Minecraft launcher. Then, in the Versions drop-down menu, you want to select 1.21.4. Once you've done this, click on Play. When Minecraft opens, this means the files have been downloaded correctly. So you want to click on Quit Game. Now we need to go ahead and download Forge. To download Forge, open your web browser and go to files.minecraftforge.net. I'll leave this website linked in the description below. From here, in the left-hand side menu, locate Minecraft 1.21.4. Once you've selected it, click on the installer underneath, Download Latest. After about 5 seconds, a skip button will appear in the top right-hand corner. Click on that, and then download the Forge installer to your Mac. For this example, I'm going to download it to my desktop. Next, we need to download the Forge mods that we want to use. To do this, open your web browser and go to a modding website of your choice. For this example, I'm going to use modrienth.com. From here, scroll down and click on Discover Mods. Then, search for the mods you want to use. Now to make this easier, you can scroll down and on the left-hand side menu where it says Loader, select Forge. This will filter all of the mods by Forge mods. Now we've done this, find a mod. For this example, I'm going to download Zero's Minimap. Once you're on the mod page, click on the Versions tab. Now if we scroll down, find the Minecraft version that you want to install mods for. So for this example, it's going to be Minecraft 1.21.4, and you want to make sure it's for the Forge platform. Once you're ready, click on it, and then click on the green download button. And again, save it to your Mac. I'm going to save it to my desktop. Now we've downloaded Forge and our Forge mods, we just need to go ahead and install Forge. To do that, open the Forge installer. If you get this error message, it means we need to approve it in our system settings. So click on the Apple logo in the top left-hand corner and click on System Settings. Once you're inside System Settings, scroll down and click on Privacy and Security. Then again, scroll all the way to the bottom until you find the Forge label. From here, click on Open Anyway, and again, click on Open Anyway. You may need to use your Mac password or Touch ID. After a few seconds, the Forge installer will open, and it will look like this.
This is pretty simple.
All we need to do is make sure Install Client has been selected, and then click on OK. This is going to take a few seconds to install Forge to your Mac. Once Forge has been installed, you'll see this pop up. Click on OK, and now you can get rid of the Forge installer if you wish to do so. Now we've installed Forge, we just need to go ahead and install our mods. To do this, open your Minecraft launcher. Then, click on Installations at the top. You should see the new Forge profile. If you don't see this, you may need to restart your Minecraft launcher. From here, click on the file icon next to the Forge profile. This will open your Minecraft installation folders. Now, go ahead and find the mods folder. However, if you don't see one, you may need to create one. To do this, click on the circle icon at the top and click on New Folder. Rename this Mods. Now we've done this, click into the Mods folder, and simply drag and drop all of your Forge mods into that folder. Now we've done that, you can exit out of the File Installation folder. Now we just need to go ahead and play Minecraft with our Forge mods. So, click on the Play tab. Then, in the Version drop-down menu, select the Forge option. Now click on Play, and then click on I understand the risks, and click on Play. Once Minecraft is loaded, we will know this has worked because where it says your Minecraft version, it will say Forge with the version number and how many mods you have loaded in brackets. You'll also see this New Mods button as well. If you want to configure your existing mods, click on the Mods button. Then, select the mods you have installed and click on Configure. Here, you can see the individual settings for that mod. However, to start playing Minecraft with our mods, simply select a world and start playing just as we normally would. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like. And if you have any questions or comments, you can leave them below. Also, don't forget to subscribe to Roam Tech for more helpful tech tutorials. Thanks for watching.